Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Innovation. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. Take an empty bottle and clean it. This is the glass marking pencil, easily available in any stationery. Now making design. You can make any design of your choice. This is a glass liner, bronze metallic. Now making outline. In the same way, I will cover whole bottle. Now let it dry at least 10 hours. Now it's dried up completely. These are Fevicryl glass color, water based. This is the green color. Blue. This is sea blue color. If any bubble occur, use the earbud. This is ultramarine blue. Let it dry the first line, otherwise it will spill if you turn it. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.